Hello and welcome to About 6 Acres. I'm Juana.
I'm Nick.
And today is Vlogmas Day 13. We are actually outside today.
Yeah, it's nice. It's like in the high 60s. It's a little cloudy though. The sun's not really out, so.
Yeah, and we're actually expecting that tomorrow night the weather is going to be, or the temperature is going to be 25 degrees. So very cold for us, and it's a huge swing for our animals. Our goal is going to be to get a couple of things done outside, including the door for the boys' shed. Now, we don't typically close the doors for the goats, but we want to be able to have that option in case the weather turns. And we also want to have it done so that when we're ready to paint, everything can be done at once. There's a look at the goat shed that we're going to be working on today. Yesterday we went out and got another piece of plywood to just help make it more rigid. And then we have the piece of T111 that we had actually cut out from it. There's a couple of things that we're going to have to consider, and we'll touch upon them as we go. But for now, let's get started. We have all of the measurements, and now we're going to start just plotting out how we're going to do it. I think that our goal was going to be to do like a half door and then have a little piece that would not get closed. I'm not really sure. What are you thinking?
A 3/4 door.
So similar to what the girls have?
And the boys.
Okay. Which side is going to be the front side and which one is going to be the back? Okay, so the T111 is going to go on the other side?
Yeah.
And this is going to be the inside? Okay, so basically, this is going to be the height of the door. There's no... Okay. Oh, is that one big enough? Alright, so this one should work. That's kind of what I want to do on the top. So this. Where do you think these are stuck?
I think the plan is we're going to use 2x4s to make our rectangle frame that we're going to attach the plywood to. And then on top of the plywood, we're going to take these 3 sections of T111 because they're a lot bigger than the cutout that we have, and attach that to the plywood, and then frame it out with our trim, and then frame out our entryway with trim so then we can attach the hinges.
Instead of going with the big T111 piece, we decided to go with some of the remnant pieces because that one was not wide enough, and part of it is there was an overlap where we had to cut, and I probably threw away the extra piece. So we're going with 3 of these that we're putting together, and we're going to match up the patterns. Nick is just cutting it to size. One more dry fit. This is what the outside is going to look like of the door when it's closed. So we're going to do the frame and then install it, but we just wanted to see what it would look like. And I think it looks great. And the door is done. We just did a dry fit and it looked good, but we're going to be putting a piece of deck board there as a threshold just to protect the transition between the T111 and then the stud that's there. And we thought we had more pieces and we don't, so we're going to use this little piece that we had set up for them because they like random planks everywhere, and the girls are like that too. So that's what we're going to do. And these cuties are just so curious. He's very, very interested in everything that has to do with building his home. Did you measure it? You know where to go? Yeah? We're going to wind up with no measuring tape. The skies have gotten really threatening. We were going to use the screws that came with the hinge, but they're so small, and so we got a big concern that they wouldn't really hold up. So we went with the decking screws, and hopefully that'll hold up. It works! Yay! We don't want them to get locked out, and since we don't have one of those eyelet hook things, I don't know what it's called, so we're just going to just make something up so that we can make sure that the door stays open, and that way if one of them is outside and the door closes, we don't have to worry about them being out. But likewise, if one of them is inside, we don't have to worry about them panicking, thinking that they can't get out, even though there is no latch.
The door is hung. It is complete. It is trimmed out. And it swings open. So nice. It needs some caulk. It needs some paint. It needs a handle, of course. But we got it up. In the dark. Thank you so much for joining us and watching us get this door up. Until next time, day 14. Tomorrow. Don't forget, you are awesome and you are loved.